Hello everyone. So this is the first video from this aircraft, and this airplane, it's a Polikarpov, the E16 Type 24, and it's 148 scale. This one, it's a special edition with limited available from Academy. Okay, it's a long one. Let me see if I see somewhere the date of this. I don't think it came on this one. Okay, it's right here, 2016. Okay, you can see it. So this is a special edition. I already make a little of the homework, and I want to show you the things I'm going to use for this one. Okay, so before, let's open this, and I will show you guys what you can get on the inside. Okay, this is just warnings, and we got this in 2 bags. Okay, so just a second, like this, and we are cracking those bags for you guys to see. So this is a very simple model to build. Okay, there are no issues. It lacks a little of details, of course, but the main goal on this build is for you guys to see some of the techniques I do with this. Okay, we got here the wings, and almost everything, okay, of the panels is raised, so it's a complete way to make the weathering. Okay, and that I'm going to show you how I do this weathering. Some have nice recess, okay, like here, they are good, but here on the panels they are raised, and I think they are raised because they must be raised. So we got here the wings, we got here some parts of the engine, the propeller, the tail, some covers for the landing gear, the motor right there. And I'm going to do this very simple, this build, because like I said before, I want you guys to show some of the techniques you can do. Okay, because you have lots of models in your house, and they are old and the panels are raised, so it's not so good for some areas. You can see here the fuselage for 148. This is a very small plane. Some guys said this is ugly plane, but I love these airplanes. I think they are really awesome. Okay, so it's about this. It's 2 screws with the wings, and we got here 2 ways to make the cockpit. I will do this. It's a semi-open, and it's what I like. We got here decals from Academy. They are really nice because they are very thin. Okay, they are not thick, and they will serve perfectly. And I will show you what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so let me put this right here. Of course, I'm going to make what we got here on the box. Okay, this one, and I will use a set from AK, part of the set of AK. Let me just put this away. And this is what I'm going to use. I think you see on the photos, and this is the Air series, and they are 3G generation. Okay, they are really nice, believe it or not, they are really nice. But from this set, because this set it's from 1913 to 1941, This one, I'm going to do it's about 42. What I'm doing is this one, let me see, yes, it's from Stalingrad, yeah, Leningrad, sorry, front, and July of 1942. So this is the one I'm going to do. I got here, so on this model we got 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to do it. This one is all white. This have 2 tones there. These 2, but I'm going to do with the camo for you guys to see the camouflage on this. So I make my my homework and I put here the colors. Okay, so the colors, I'm going to use the all night blue. Right there, it's going to be this one for the painting. So this is strained from the bottle with just thinner, or I'm going to use this one to the grass green I got here, for the green part of the aeroplane. Okay, and the gray is going to be this one here. Okay, I'm going to make a mix with the black color. Okay, with the black, it's going to be this color, the all night green, the AA9 hull, and I'm going to put the black because I want to be more dark, but I want this to be light for the oils. So it's a mix of 5 drops of this with 1 drop of the black. Okay, more for this. Of course, we are going to use the natural steel from AK. It's a metallic color for the engine. I use the white for some parts. You are going to see what I'm going to do. More. So here, let's grab the instructions. The instructions, it's really easy. So for the inside, okay, I'm going to use the this one, or this, not this one. What the hell? It's going to be the green for the outside, the grass green, and that with a mix of 5 for 1 of the white to be more bright the inside of the airplane. For the bench, I'm going to use the British khaki, okay, and some parts of leather like the pillow we got here. I will just show you the pillow who goes here. I'm going to use leather bound brown, more dark for that. So as you can see on the interior, I'm going to show you here. You can see the interior. It's really easy, guys. Okay, it's very easy, and because this don't have any seat belts, like no photo hedge, no decals, I'm going to use the 1mm tape. This tape is for curves, and you have the thickness we want for this, and it's good for make that curves we want to do with that. But you are going to see, and this paint, it's very easy to paint, and it's going to be nice. Let me just see. I don't see nothing here yet. The interior, guys, it's empty. You don't have nothing. So don't worry, because what I want, it's the aspect of the outside. So guys, this is for showing what to do with rice panels and how you make the weathering. Okay, it's easy. So as you can see, it's going to be a very quick, very quick build. Don't have too many issues. You just need drill some holes if you want to put the bombs. Okay, so it's very easy, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 sprues, guys. This is very easy to build. So this is what you getting. I'm getting started tomorrow, and of course you are going to see all the process. This I will show you guys the process of the constructions, because I think there are going to be some issues in some parts, and we are going to need to use putty, and I will show you in real time how you can do very simple ways to put the putty, to clean it almost without filing. Okay, it's, I know filing putty, it's very bad. So here it is. Let me just put this again all inside the box. So it's very quick, guys. So just you for guys to see these videos, these presentation videos. It's all for all the guys on Patreon. You can see, and if you want to see the construction of the aeroplanes, okay, no problem. Just go ahead. I just put on my Patreon. Every members from the VIP have every month one figure with 95 millimeters that I send, or that you can catch here on the store. It's free, and that month I will see how I paint the figure, and you guys paint the figure too, okay? And then I will make a pool of the best figure, of course without mine, the best figure, and every month the best figure will win a prize, okay? And it's always a surprise prize. So it's a surprise always, and there it's good surprises, by the way. So guys, here on Patreon you can see this, and of course if you have any question, just send me a message here on Patreon, Facebook, or WhatsApp, okay? So guys, thank you very much, and I catch you up tomorrow for starting build this, and on Tuesday I will continue with the tank, and then I will start now continuing the bust I have here on Python 2. So guys, I see you tomorrow. Bye.